So, Megan, let's go back to you. Do you have any pictures of your? I'm going to ask, right? But I already have it pulled up, right?
Okay.
So,
I was
can we?
hoping to do this inside my gym, but the mall closes and I had to be out. So
Oh, I'm so sorry. So, we actually talked about that. You asked me, "Hey, can I do it in the gym?" I was going to ask you that, right? So, well, I'm going to share. I'm just going to share this picture from Facebook. So, what is this picture here?
So this is a flyer that I made for our grand opening, which is this Saturday. It's a free event, open house. Come play, hang out, get to see what the gym has. I'm having raffles, a photo booth, which I'm very excited about, some
The photo
snacks.
booth. Where did you get? Did you rented it?
No, so again, this was needed in the community, and I reached out to a local guy named Ben who has I Do Studios, and he actually does weddings and his photo booths. He does for my husband's township too.